Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I will show you how to install ESXi 6.5 step by step. First you need to download the ESXi 6.5 ISO from the VMware website. I'm going to install this ESXi 6.5 on VMware Workstation. So let's start it. First just open this VMware Workstation and click on create a new virtual machine, then click next and then select the ISO of 6.5. Here I already selected it here, and then click on next, then give the name of this virtual machine. I'm giving it as ESXi 1, then click next, then give the size of the disk. I'm giving it 20 GB, click next and then click finish. Now click on the edit option, check the virtual machine is having 4 GB of space. If you want you can increase. It's having processor, 2 processors, the disk is having 20 GB and the DVD is having the ISO image. And here I am selecting the bridge mode and just power on this virtual machine. Press enter. As you can see, the installer has been started. For continue the installation, press enter to continue and press F11 to accept and continue. Now choose the storage device for ESXi installation. I'm selecting the default disk 20 GB. Enter to continue, then again press enter to continue, then put the password here. Enter to continue, F11 to installation. The installation has been started now. It will take some time. Okay, now our installation is completed successfully and is asking to reboot the server. So press enter to reboot this VM. So after the successful installation of this ESXi 6.5, you will see screen like this. As you can see on the screen, this VM doesn't have any IP address, so we need to configure the IP address on this VM. For this we need to press F2, then give the password, again press F2 and just click on configure management network. Here I'm going to disable IPv6, so just select it and disable the IPv6. and click on this, and I'm going to provide the static IP address on this VM. So just select set static IPv4 address and just give the IP address for this VM. Subnet mask and the gateway, and press enter. And next, on the DNS configuration, you can put the DNS server. If you are having a DNS server in your organization, you can put it here and give the host name of this VM. Either you can give simply the host name, or you can also mention the FQDN. If you are having a domain in your organization, you can put the domain name as well, like this: ESXI 1.test.lan, and then press enter, press escape, and to apply the changes press Y. Now the host is going to restart. In this way you can install the ESXi, and you can configure the IP address and the host name on the VM. Now as you can see, the VM is showing the host name and also the IP address which we have provided. So in this way you can configure your VM. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks and have a good day.